Hi. Okay, let's begin today's training. Hello, everyone. My name is Ken. My name is Ken, and I'm very glad here to give a lessons today. Today's training is monitoring point configuration, and I will introduce these lessons divide into three parts: real-time monitoring text, alarm monitoring text, and historical monitoring text. Um, and also we call this point as tag. It's some means. The first part is real-time monitoring. This page is in device management. Uh, VBox device, not HMI. This page is uh this page is not. Let me show you in VNet client. In a minute. You can see. You can see this page is not as same as the PPT. Because we default mode is dashboard mode, and we need to select this classic mode in here, and we can see we can see this data monitoring. And if we do not, and if we don't like this default mode, we can change in here operation management and preference management. Select the classic mode and save. Then all the device page will sorry because just now change the dashboard board. You can see all the device. Their default mode is classic mode. Okay. Let me continue. In this page, we can configure monitoring points to easily obtain and modify the device data online. And we can also grouping, and we also have group function to help you better organize these tags. Some projects will use hundreds of tags, and at this time, this function is particularly important to. Sorry. So if a project have if a project has hundreds of tags, a group function is very important. And here is the demonstrate video about how to add and modify tag. Wait. First, add click add button. The list will and enter the tag you want to monitor. That's video. By the way, the type of data should match the master. Uh, if you want to monitor word address, is need word address, and all these should match. And after adding, the list will automatically refresh. Then if we want to modify, uh, just like the video, if we want to modify a word type tag, we should click this number, enter the value want to set, and click OK to confirm modification. But if it is a byte type date, you can just click here to switch. Let me show you in VNet client. If we monitor word type address, we need to click here to confirm. But if the byte address, just click to switch. Yes. Yeah, should click here this. And this is a useful function for real-time monitoring. Address mapping. When we want the VBox get data from another VBox, we need to use this function. Let's work the demonstrate video. You can see two data from different VBoxes. The source data is from H-SG, and the tag data is from VBox H-WF. Oh, wait. Sorry. Um, and click the edit. Click edit, and you can see the function. You can see the function mapping in the end. And select the target data, and click OK. And now they have already been mapped. You can see change value, and the other value will change also. Two-way mapping possible. I'm sorry. Can you describe your question here? I don't understand. And we can also add and delete in batch. Watch at the GIF. Enter the name and the number you want to add. And the number you want to add. And you can see the number of quantity will be added after the name. And deleting batch is easier. Just just select check and click the delete in batch. Then is import and export text. You can use this function to batch batch copy text for multiple similar device. Just click the export. Let me see the video. Just click the export and the tag information will be exported in Excel file, and then click and then delete. Then click the import. Choose select the file. Just export it. Then the import succeed. You can also edit hand menu bar just like the video. If you want to, if you think some information is not important, you can let him you can don't you can use this function to let let the information don't display in handbar. In this page, in this page, real-time data, real-time data in data center. You can add tag from different device. You can just see the video. Click here, and you can see. Uh, sorry, maybe it's not very clear this video, but okay, this video is not very clear, but you can see here are different here are different here are different VBox you can select. You can select all and then change to H-WF device and select the tag of leads. Oh, we can add all the text we want here, so that we can monitor their status more conveniently. Just click add and select the tag. Okay. Next is second part. Do you have any question? I don't understand I don't understand what's the two-way mapping means. Do you have any questions? Okay, okay, I will continue. So let's enter the second part. Monitoring text. This page, this interface record all alarm, including historical and current if there is a confirm button, yeah, it means this arm is current arm, but after we click the confirm button to confirm this arm, the record will turn to historical arm. Let me show in client minute. Okay, you can see if the button confirm can be clicked, then it is current among arm. If we confirm this arm, let's see the button turn to confirm and cannot be clicked. Okay, so how to redress see the demonstrate video. First, first click the eight click the arm registration. Click the arm registration and this is very like it takes a real time take. Enter the item needed and the severity and some information, some trigger condition. And then click OK. And then this arm is registered and set this value bigger than 50. Trigger the arm condition. You can see the arm is recorded. And if we change this value to normal, no, if we change it again, this will show the value you changed. But if we change this to normal, this will also, wait a minute, let me show you in client. just like this arm. 33. Its address is HDX 1.0. In Let me just say this 33. If we turn this to on, you can see this this arm is be triggered, and if we turn this to off, um, yes, you can see it, this arm will it can also be recorded, but this event is cancelled. Okay, let's continue. Okay, sorry. Oh, sorry. So, just I'm recording. I'm recording. I introduced in the first page. Sorry, forget to delete it. And the ARM management, just like the data, just like the data center, but this page is in here. The ARM management includes current ARM management and historical ARM management. Uh, just like the just like the data center, this page this page collects all ARM records from different devices. So in the client here, not in here. Just like the tag, but and you can confirm in Blage in here if you think the unconfirmed is too much. And we can click here to see the HMI arm, or click here to see the VBox arm, and we can also choose a device to see the arm. But we cannot see the specific we wanted. We can only see one device arm, and we can see here in table or chat, online chat on its trick one. Okay, continue. Sorry. Uh, we will introduce the final part. It's stereo monitoring text. Do you have any question about the monitoring and or real-time monitoring? Mm. Let's continue. You can add. Oh, in history date, you can add adjust to be monitored. The difference between it and the real-time tag is that this can record. This tag can be recorded. You can see here. Here is a list. Here is a list. But if we use real-time text, the data cannot be recorded. However, the number of texts is limited because we need to record the text. So you can see the specific number in our website. So let's see how to adjust the historical tag. And you can see. And we can also change the type to curve to see in picture. Also can change time code. It different from real time monitor or on time monitor. We need to set a group before we reject the historical monitor tag because we need to set the trigger, the record trigger. There are show you in your client. There are 4 or 5. We must set the group first. Okay, here are four types of trigger. No trigger or trigger records. Or trigger to record once and reset, or trigger to record once. Just like what they said. If we choose no trigger, we can select the cycle time from 1, and the minimize of this circle is 1, and if we select the trigger record, this means if this address is turned to on, then this group, the data of this group will be recorded in this circle. And this type means if this address turns on, then the data of this group will be recorded once. And this address will automatically reset. And this is same as this type, but after the address turn on, the data of this group record once, but this address will keeping on. The status of this register will not be resetted. Okay. Okay, after we set a group, next we can click the data registration button to add a historical text, just like the real-time or registration. Enter a name you wanted, and enter a name you like, and assign them to group you wanted. And the historical monitor tag also have a data sentence just above the real-time data. Just above the real-time data. Sorry. No tag. Let me add a tag. You can see. Oh, yeah, you need to select a device. Also like click here to select the data you want to. Yes, you see. Finally, click search. The data will displayed in here. The real-time data need to assign. Need to assign. Choose a device, and you can choose type in here. Okay. Okay, today's journey is over.